Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot has basically followed the last update. In the last video, we were just above the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. And by the time we hadn't had any confirmation for any low in place. And I highlighted to you that the first indication that a low is in place would be a break to the upside of the wedge, or now it's a bit of a price channel. It rather looks like a price channel, not like a wedge. It certainly has enough waves to the downside. It doesn't need to come down any lower, but we also haven't got any reliable signal that a low is in place. Ultimately, in this setup, a low should be in place shortly. If it is supposed to work out, bear in mind, not only Polkadot, but all altcoins I'm tracking basically, the only ones where we give the bullish scenarios from here a chance, they are all questionable. I just have to remind everybody all the time, because the movements of the lows, they are not impulsive, they are only diagonals, and I can only leave that with you to decide yourself how you deal with that risk. Okay, they are certainly less reliable, but also reward and risk are pretty high here, so the ratio is in a pretty good spot, so the reward to risk ratio. So if we measure the target of the third wave from here, it would be at least $6.90, but a sustained break below $4.50 will most likely lead to invalidation of the setup. Official invalidation point is at $4.19. So the situation hasn't changed. We're still in the support area. Now, however, with the situation that on the 4-hour chart, DOT was really significantly oversold. It has recovered since a little bit. It's basically in the same price spot as it was before, but obviously made a new low along the way. Just recovered already on the daily time frame, also oversold. Or it was, at least. It has recovered since a little bit, but it hasn't really shown us any strong evidence that a low is in place. All I can share with you is we're deep in support. 450 is the last reliable bullish support. If it goes below that, it really needs a turnaround, but it will already reduce in likelihood that it's going to work out. Needs a break, a sustained break above the descending price channel to confirm that a low is in. Ideally, also a break above $5.11. That would increase probabilities. That's the wave 4 high. And then we need a break above the 550 level next. That is the end of the B wave, which is the triangle pattern up here. This is going to be an additional level of confirmation, and then $5.63, because this is the wave 1 high, basically the end of the leading diagonal. And if we get above that level, get a sustained break, then the pathway should be free to $6.90. Little volume, still little volume, which is not bad, because if we see little selling volume, then at least it indicates that the correction is getting close to being finished. Yeah, it picked up a little bit on the 4-hour, but no dramatic increases, I would say. And now it's all about waiting if the low is in. I mean, again, on the micro level, and be careful with these micro counts. It has enough waves down. It doesn't need any more, right? But it, of course, could make another one. They can always extend until we see an impulsive reversal. There is no low until I see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. Okay, only then I can confirm that. But this is the area where I am looking for such a signal. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.